My name is Brian Auchey. I'm the Chief Financial Officer at Transair Manufacturing Corporation. We make air conditioning equipment for buses and other transportation equipment, and our company is located here in Dallastown, Pennsylvania. Well, we currently have 7 servers and 70 PCs, but we also have about 20 smartphones too, so they're all kind of tied together. I believe they do an excellent job with customer service. Their expertise, along with their price, and also it gives us, another place to back up off-site all of our servers and data. It helps our IT managers stay current with things out in the IT world. We've had a great working relationship with them for a number of years here, and we're very happy to be associated with them.